Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Mari from Best RV down in Turlock, California. What is behind me? It's a killer 2026 4-River East to West Entrada 2200S. What I really like about the Entrada East to West is they put a full painted cap on the front. So this is a nice look and a nice painted. Other manufacturers, they start cutting corner by not giving you running board. This one has a running board. This is a big deal. Power awning with LED light. But one thing I want you to come here and feel, I know it's very hard to do this through the camera, but you will see my reflection in this motorhome because this one is a gel-coated sidewall Asdel fiberglass. So this is make a difference in the build and the material. The running board has side cameras, gel-coated fiberglass, slam luggage door with washable bins. That's another advantage. Solar prep. And to prove for you, it comes with a solar. So here's a proof for you. There's a solar panel on the roof with the 30 amp controller. As well, they give you additional solar prep. That's the advantage for you. You could put your TV here because they give you exterior TV prep. I love those, I call them silent salesman stickers. Nice hubcap. Another storage. Don't waste anything. In the back, they give you everything. They give you a backup camera included. They give you ladder. A lot of manufacturers, they cut corners by giving you leopard expandable ladder prep. This one come with the ladder. Solid bumper. A class 3 hitch receivers. Slide out. Slide topper. Endless hot water heater. This is big deal. Endless hot water heaters. Everything is done. Outside sprayers. Black tank flush. Sewer hookup. Water hookup. Cable hookup. Power cord. LED light on this side so you could see so you're not on the dark. They give you another storage underneath the slide. Look how deep. Please, cameraman, show them how deep the storage outside. Storage here. You have the propane tank on this side, standard like all the Class C. And then you have the Yamaha NPS 4,000 watt generators. You could run everything inside this unit, no question asked. And you have the brand new chassis of the E350. As you see, it's sitting on an E350 chassis, Ford. Why is Ford? Because it's better. It has more torque, more power, cruise control. It has the Apple, Bluetooth, rear camera view. You could see all these cameras here. Also, when you turn right, look, show them the cameraman. I'm putting the left signals and the camera is on the left. Now watch when I go right signals, right camera. Put reverse, rear camera. So that's the beauty about this unit. It has a 3 camera, both one on each side, one in the back. The competitor, they don't. A lot of competitor, they give you just only 1 camera in the back. They give you everything. It has a nice bed, bunk bed in the top they give you even the ladder. You don't have to go buy a ladder. So you see, there's the ladder, the expandable ladder. There's your power cord. The nice thing about this is a 12-volt TV, so you can run this TV while you're driving. Also, you don't need to have, you do not need to run the generator in order to watch the TV. So that's another advantage for you. The tables is wider and bigger. And here's the cameraman, please emphasize there's no legs whatsoever is gonna hit your legs. So, and it's easy to make the bed. You just lower this, lower it, and again, it go down and you become bed. When you do, you go up a little bit in the angle, put in the hook, solid table. I wanna emphasize one thing, this is 60 by 80 bed. So that's a big deal. And we have windows. The competitor, they delete the windows. Why we have window here, this side and that side, I wanna show the customer, is because this give you ventilations. You could open that window and then you have a fresh air going through. Let's go in the kitchen. So from the dinette, we have a nice beautiful kitchen, and you see it has a nice blind, and you could do that. It has a nice hood with lights. and light on the keys. 3-burner range, convection microwave. You could see the fans going, turn the fan. And so you have a convection microwave. So this is a microwave as well, convection oven. You have doors for the appliances. You have doors for storage. You have a deep sink with a high-rise faucet. And also if you need a prep area, voila, they don't waste anything. They give you a big extra large panorama window, as you see. They give you a 12-volt USB ports right here with 110 and a bigger dinette, and then they give you storage in the top. Some of them you should see some motorhome, they're shallow. And then they give you a big door, 24-inch deep dinette storage door. You have self-closing doors, as you see. Hanging closet. Fantastic fan with the rain sensor to suck whatever you're cooking here so you get the smell out. You have the 12-volt reefer residential and open both way with the freezer. And again, no worries. People, they see 12-volt. Oh, wait a minute. No. You have 200-watt solar panel on the roof. And then you have big cabinet for your silverware, and you could put your cooking pan here. You have the 800 number for Forest River roadside assistance. Beautiful queen bed on a slide out, again with the closet on the top. If you decide to have a TV in the bedroom, I could put a bracket here, said TV bracket right here, and we could put a TV for you in the bedroom. We care about the main TV because some customers, they say it's too small, I don't need TV. Some people, they say they do. We could put it here. We're one-stop shop. Easy to walk around. Look at where I'm standing and how I'm fixing the beds. Storage even above the bed. Now, if somebody say wants CPAP machines, there's a plug here, 110 and USB as well here. So no worries about CPAP machine. The bathroom, you have a solid door. And then you have no issue with knees for your toilet. Standing shower with a skylight. And another fan in the bathroom. I like what they did on this floor plan. They put the sink outside the toilet. So that means one person brushing his teeth, washing face, shaving, and one person doing business in the bathroom or taking shower. So that's what I really like. Solid medicine cabinet, it's not a paper, and more storage. So this is the 2200 East to West Entrada Class C motorhome. It's perfect. We fought the factory to get you brand new 26 for $79.9 in California. It's amazing deal. And please, I beg you, no hidden fees. I get shocked what other dealers, they charging you for dealer prep, for get ready package, for walkthrough, for orientation. What Best RV charge you? Nothing. Zippo. Wash it, clean it, prep it. Make sure everything's work, function, operate. All this done, and we don't charge you a penny. All this for free.